project is part of a larger project in St. Paul Public Schools through the Social Studies Department. We call it Absent Narratives, and what that means is it's bringing in the stories of individuals and cultures and families and people who were there at the time the event occurred, but for some reason were taken out of traditional text and accounts. And it is important for St. Paul schools to have everybody's stories within the curriculum. And you'll hear a little bit tonight about why that's so personal for people in this project. This project is personally very exciting for me for a variety of reasons. One of which is the fact that this was one of those rare, true collaborations. When we met a year ago in Superintendent Silva's office and received her support for the project, it was the start of a journey with university scholars, with St. Paul teachers, with parents, with former students, with Take Action and community organizing, and with the Hmong community as a whole. This has been a large collaborative project over the last year, and it's been great to have pieces of the lessons go to different individuals to give input and really be able to say these are lessons, St. Paul lessons about stories that have not always been told in our regular social studies courses. And that's what was really important, that we infuse the history, that it's not an add-on. So tonight we have the first 3 lessons, and I haven't even put them on our official curriculum site. So you are the first people that are actually seeing the lessons